It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Kraff. Zeme, there with Kraff with sometime. And this is Russian new juggling upon the payment plan Riddim. So we see him drop the preview, well, the promotional video with all of the artists tonight, and more to be added, of the payment plan Riddim. So obviously the name payment plan forward from the little feud with him and the G did have on social media when he must say, yo, him bet the youth. Say, I forgot the G name, you know. Like he must say, yo, him bet him, say him can't. Him bet him some bet he go down and I must say, yo, bet you $1 million. So obviously Russian did win the bet, so payment plan at the reading name. So Russian is a marketing genius, that's all I'm gonna say. Well, we're gonna jump in that one and here where Bodo Chop officer, so let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Like a girl song.
I don't have to wait so long to get a good fucking friend.
Papa Pelina me lick, I know me feelings gone. Mama says she wanna spend some time. Throat body thick, me we spend some time.
The rhythm nice. The rhythm nice.
Pull up!
Wanna think about the rhythm. Wanna think about the rhythm.
See why those can't take with leaders when to come chill it. That I every 3 years to give me that friend. I don't have to wait so long to get a good fucking friend.
Papa Pelina me lick, I know me feelings gone. Mama says she wanna spend some time. Throat body thick, me we spend some time.
Mama says she want to spend some time, short goat body thick. Him say yeah, him agree, we spend some time too. Him can't run left that, him I go spend like if I have 20 minutes, him I go spend it.
Mama says she want to spend some time. Throat body thick, me we spend some time.
Yeah.
Give her the pussy, me we spend some time. In a day, dead and night, me repent some time.
Give her the pussy, me we spend some time. No, me not do that, you know. Kraff, you're there for your own with that one there. Give her the pussy. If she give her pussy, you gonna spend some time where? A prison? No, sir. Because when you go to prison, brother, and next man, just still a dig it, you know. I dig it like yam feeding and that. So what you gonna do? Yeah? Spend some time, yes. Go on.
Give her the pussy, me we spend some time. Sin a day, dead and night, me repent some time.
Sin a day, dead and night, me repent some time. Rude.
Mama says she wanna spend some time. Throat body thick, me we spend some time. Give her the pussy, me we spend some time. Sin a day, dead and night, me repent some time. Tony pan in a the air, so me vent some time. If you're rampy, this in a me we spend some time. Full of
Bomba, Tony pan in the ear, some event sometimes. So him tell us say yo, him race out the pan clip in the ear. I saw him vent, I saw him get let out him anger. You see me? I rather you do that than go take it out on somebody. Yeah. And if you ramp with me, we spend some. Alright, let's go.
Tony pan in the air, so me vent some time. If you're rampy, this in a me we spend some time. Full of killers in a dolly when me send pan crime.
Full of killer. Sin a dolly where him send pan crime. So him tell us say the bad girl them round him. A them him a work with. Yeah. Cause remember say a girl can get to you quicker than a man. As a man, a girl can get to you quicker than a G can, you know that. Know that, you know. You see me? Them girl that sin a girl let me know, yeah?
Sometimes in a day, dead and night, me repent sometime. Tony pan in the air, so me vent sometime. If you're rampy, this in a me we spend some time. Full of killers in a dolly when me send pan crime. Papa pilling a me lick, I know me feelings gone. This thing man feel it, want feel it. Raw press a button at the coops and the ceiling far. Fuck a girl in a taboo, she a fiend fee star. Rampy this in a youth, ya fiend fee star. Got it 30 on me too, don't feel me sir.
See why those can't take with leaders when to come chill it. That I every 3 years to give me that friend.
Half a dozen gal a bubble for the dollar. Pass a duffel, make me chuck it on a mom's.
Boom.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Yo, this song bad. The rhythm bad. Head concussion, big up yourself, dog.
Every 3 years to give me that friend.
Russian, big up yourself, dog.
So long to get a good fucking friend.
Papa Pelina me lick, I know me feelings gone. Mama says she wanna spend some time. Throat ceiling far. Buck a gal in a taboo, she a fiend fee star. Rampy this in a youth, yeah, fiend fee star. Got it 30 on me too, don't feel me, sir.
See why those can't take what sweeters were to come chill it. That I would be 3 years to give me that quick.
Half a dozen gal a bubble for the dollar. Pass a duffel, make me chuck it on a mom's, yeah. Water walk.
Half a dozen girl a bubble for the dollar. Pass a duffel when me chuck it on a mom's. Yeah. Mom's a get the whole duffel because him like what him see. Mom's rarity.
A dozen gal a bubble for the dollar. Pass a duffel, make me chuck it on a mom's. Water walk, mama throat can.
All people that say, I know water walk a pumpkin belly. The boss I say water walk a mama throat corner. Bumbo clot.
A duffel, make me chuck it on a mom's. Water walk, mama throat can. Nina Montana. Me pretty feeling where she come from Ghana. Me Trinidad girl so she love bad man. So she love bad man.
International girls.
Papa pilling on me liquor, know me feelings gone. This steam and feel it, I feel it raw. Press a button at the coops and the ceiling far. But a girl in a taboo, she a fiend fee star. Rampy this in a youth, yeah, fiend fee star. Got it 30 on me too, don't feel me sir.
I just have to wait so long to get a good fucking prick.
Mama says she want spend some time. Throat body thick, me we spend some time. Give her the pussy, me we spend some time. She not the day and night, me repent some time. Turn the panty in the air, so me spend some time. If you're rampy this in a me we spend some time. Full of killers in a dolly when me send from crime. Papa me lick, I know me feelings gone. This steam and feeling, I feel it raw. Press a button at the coops and the ceiling far. Buck a gal in a taboo, she a fiend fee star. Rampy this in a youth, yeah, fiend fee star. Got it 30 pound me too, don't feel me, sir. Don't feel me.
Woo! That is rich. First one pan the rhythm. Yes. No, the rhythm I got bad in the dog. I rhythm have some bad song of out pan the rhythm. I can know already. Only thing I got take the rhythm. We have obviously Kraff upon the rhythm. I believe Skeng is gonna be on the rhythm. Nige Boy on the rhythm. Briscoe upon the rhythm. Jada them upon the rhythm. Maya upon the rhythm. OS upon the rhythm. OS upon the rhythm. OS upon the rhythm. OS upon the rhythm. Wanna think. Najiri upon the rhythm. Raja upon the rhythm. Wanna think. Oh, I go mash up that rhythm here. Cause for me, Dirty Money rhythm, Nige Boy gone with that. Clear gone with that. Clear. Body song on the rhythm, a Nige Boy song. So, what do you think about that rhythm here? Is there gonna be any surprise artist on that rhythm here? What do you think? That rhythm here, I come tear off piece of place. Me like it. Let me know what you guys think about the rhythm. Kraff, big up yourself, dog, as always. Big up yourself, dog. You're very consistent. You put out the work. You see me? And the people, your fan base are grow, bro. Your fan base is growing. Russian, you are a marketing genius. Big up your damn self, dog. You're a marketing genius, brother. You captivate half of the hype of the Dirty Money rhythm and the controversy and everything. You own your gatekeeping rights. Your gatekeeping title, because we see it in the promo at the payment plan rhythm. You own that. So big up yourself, bro. You actually make a rhythm sound similar to the Dirty Money rhythm to me, but it different. It sounds similar, but it different, of course. Yeah, Russian, big up yourself, dog. You are a genius. Yeah, you're very smart, very smart. Big up all the artists them with voice already, and big up the artists them where I got just look feet and don't book feet and not get authorized. Big up for the same way. Is it? This time we're gonna leave the one. Still, if you enjoy the one, yeah, I want to see any more Kraff video. Click on any one of them two videos where it's above right in either side of me, and you will get a Kraff video. Alright, I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.